All right, everyone. So if you're watching this video, we are going to show you how to install those the rear camper Tork tie downs. Okay, so this is what your piece should look like for the Toyota Tundra. This is a 2014 model, and I do believe it does work on virtually all Tundra models. They're pretty much all the same. So first thing you're gonna want to do is, depending on what your rust looks like, I grease the heck out of these two bolts. Okay, those are the ones we'll be using, and that we'll need to be removing. So grease the heck out of those, and then we're gonna get 19mm socket and take both of those completely out. One. That took forever. Okay, finally got both the bolts out. Really didn't take that long. It's just Minnesota rust. It's kind of annoying. So then with your torque down bracket here, what we'll do is we're gonna line it up. Line these two holes up with those two holes. And then we'll just put those two bolts that we had, use our muscle to get out, we'll put them back in. Okay, so let me drop you guys down here real quick. Once you get them up in those holes, just hand tighten it a little bit just so it stays. Okay. Now you can see what I'm talking about there. And I'll do the second one, and I'll show you how we do that bottom bracket there, or that bottom hole in the bracket. Okay, once you get both your bolts hand tightened in, just a little bit, pretty tight, but not overly tight, because what we'll need to find is the bolt that the package came with, and then the spacer, which is going to go right here, right? It's gonna be right in between the hitch and the bracket. And what we'll do here is we'll take this bolt, okay, and we will put a washer on it. Can do it with one hand, and then we're gonna come in on the left side here, or on the middle side, put that bolt in there for now. What we'll do here is this spacer again is going right in the center there, so it kind of flattens out this, okay, the tie down bracket. So I'm gonna set you down here and put that in really quick. And this can adjust a little bit, but again, you just put the spacer in between right there, and then just thread your bolt through. And then on the other side, you'll grab your lock wash and your bolt. I'm just going to thread it through, find the bolt on the other side, and put it in. All right, here's how it looks on the other side. Okay, so put your lock wash on, and
and then you'll thread your bolt, or your nut I should say, onto your bolt. Okay, so there it is. And then we will just get 2 wrenches or a socket wrench and tighten that together. All right, once that's locked tight, just gonna go up and bolt those in all the way, then you're done.
Okay, then once you have tightened all your bolts, all you do is just slide your tie down in. That's how she looks. All right, everyone. I think they turned out pretty good. Again, these are the rear Tork camper tie downs from eTrailer. I'll put the link in the description below where you can order them. And if you want to check out how to install the fronts of Tork camper tie downs for a Toyota Tundra, I have a video made from that as well. So thanks for watching and happy camping.